Brexit is one of the most destructive decisions taken by any free nation in 8 decades. It is a threat. It is a threat to the prosperity of all our countries. I want to once again thank all of the member parties of Alde for the great solidarity which you continue to show for Ireland and as we work to minimise the damage of Brexit to our country. After March 30th next year, Northern Ireland will contain the largest number anywhere of EU citizens who are outside the borders of the Union. In the critical days and weeks ahead, we need to continue to stick together and insist on a deal which protects the European Union and shows that we will protect the interests of the Union's citizens and all who remain true to the great ideals embodied by the Union.